Welcome to DataHub Guard AI. We built this platform to turn DataHub from a passive catalog into an autonomous agent that fixes broken data pipelines before they impact the business. Let's jump straight from our landing page into the live dashboard. As you can see, a real-time alert just came in from Airflow about a failed Snowflake pipeline. Let's click into the incident to see what our AI agent is doing about it. This is our incident command center. Right at the top, you'll see our automated circuit breaker in action. Because our agent detected a high blast radius, it immediately paused all downstream jobs to prevent bad data from spreading to executive dashboards. In the center, we have the lineage graph. Our backend actively traversed DataHub's GraphQL API to map out exactly which downstream assets are impacted. But our agent doesn't just monitor, it fixes. On the left, the agent pulled the dataset schema and the error logs, diagnosed the root cause, and wrote the exact SQL code required to solve the issue. To keep humans in control, it sends a rich alert straight to Slack. A data engineer can review the proposed fix, and with one click of the Approve and Merge PR button, deploy the code straight to GitHub. If you need more context during an outage, you can open the Agentic Copilot on the right. You can ask it directly who owns the broken dashboards, and it will fetch the answers from DataHub in real time. With DataHub Guard AI, we aren't just cataloging data, we're actively defending it.